Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Bettina, plant-based chef here in Ibiza, and we are starting a new series today, Vegan Street Food Homemade. Today we are making okonomiyaki. It is a savory Japanese pancake originally from Osaka, and it literally translated means cook what you like. So we are making our vegan and gluten-free version today. We're gonna get started right now.
Welcome to Ahimsa Kitchen.
If this is your first time here and you want to see more really creative, healthy vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure to subscribe not to miss out on anything. And because we are making vegan street food homemade, we also have the opportunity to plate it really nicely, so stay tuned for that. Instead of the traditional okonomiyaki sauce, we are making some healthy Thai hoisin sauce. We are using garlic, dates, sesame oil, some organic brown miso, rice vinegar, some chili, soy, and we have this carob syrup, which is made here on the island with 100% natural ingredients. We are adding all the ingredients to our NutriBullet and just blend it up. Super easy. For our topping, we will need some vegan mayonnaise. So I have this one. It's a little thick, so I will just thin it out with a little bit of water and rice vinegar so we can fill it into our squeeze bottle. Let's go make our pancake batter. We are making it gluten-free with gluten-free oat flour and garbanzo bean flour, and this is how we make it. To intensify the flavor, I'm making a mushroom stock with these dried shiitake mushrooms. And we are combining gluten-free oat flour, garbanzo bean flour. We have arrowroot starch to bind it all nicely together, baking powder, and some salt. So I'm adding our mushroom stock and we're whisking up the batter. Just make sure you get all the clumps out. We're making our version with Napa cabbage, red cabbage. We're also gonna add some spring onions and shiitake mushrooms. We are adding all our vegetables into the batter, stir it around, and we're baking it in the pan on each side for about 5 to 8 minutes. So let's check in the bottom. So we want to make sure we cook it at quite a low temperature actually, just to make sure it doesn't get burned and it's fully cooked on the inside. In the meantime, I prepped my garnish. I have some spring onion, pickled ginger, some beautiful edible flowers, and our mayonnaise. And I also cut some nori sheets thinly in stripes. We have everything ready, and now I'm going to show you how to make a really beautiful Japanese street food dish at home. here is our beautiful okonomiyaki. I made it in a traditional crepe pan, so it might be a little bigger than the traditional okonomiyaki you maybe have seen or tried before. So obviously you can also split it with one of your loved ones. I probably won't. I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing by myself now. I thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and also let me know if you had actually had okonomiyaki before, if you have tried it in a vegan version or not. And I can't wait to see you next Tuesday.